In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up voicemail in Dialpad. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional greeting in place, and your missed calls will land exactly where you want them. Start by signing into Dialpad, either in your web browser or through the desktop app. From there, head to your settings, then open Call Handling and Voicemail. This is the hub for everything related to how your calls are answered and where unanswered calls go. If you're happy with a simple setup, you can keep the default voicemail greeting. It's ready to use and requires no extra steps. If you want a more personal touch, choose a custom greeting. You have two options here. Select Record a greeting to capture audio directly from your device, or choose Upload to add an existing MP3. If you're recording on the spot, keep it clear and concise. Your message should be 45 seconds or shorter. If you're uploading, make sure the MP3 file is 10 MB or smaller. A quick tip: if your file is too large, compress it or export it at a slightly lower bitrate so it fits the limit without sacrificing clarity. When recording, speak slowly, smile as you talk for a friendly tone, and include your name, your department or role if that's relevant, and a brief instruction, like asking callers to leave their name, number, and reason for calling. Before you finalize, play the greeting back to confirm the volume and pacing feel right. If something sounds off, re-record or upload a cleaner version. Next, take a moment to fine-tune your call handling rules so missed or unanswered calls reliably reach your voicemail. In the same call handling and voicemail area, you can adjust how long your phone rings before routing to voicemail and how calls are treated if you don't answer. Pick a ring duration that gives you time to pick up without keeping callers waiting too long. If you use any routing options, confirm they still send unanswered calls to voicemail as a fallback. If you'd like to stay on top of new messages, enable Receive Email Notifications for new voicemails. With this on, you'll get an email whenever someone leaves a message, which is especially helpful when you're on the go or in meetings. Once everything looks good, make sure your changes are saved. That's it, your voicemail is set up in Dialpad and ready to work for you.